Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Aidan's Cuts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete transformation, taking your client from looking like that to looking like this. So follow along. If you need any help at all, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to everyone. Right now I'm just debulking my number 4 guard, opening it up all the way and then closing it all the way before going straight onto my number 3 and doing the same. I'm going to be keeping the same silhouette through the whole haircut, making sure we're not changing or moving our clipper in any way that we shouldn't be. Now that I've gone and debulked my haircut, I'm going to go in with my skin trimmer, doing a nice semicircle shape, making sure this line doesn't have to be too perfect, but it does have to be balanced on both sides. Once we've used our 00 and skinned everything out, we're going to go in with our foil shaper to make sure that stubble is absolutely gone, making sure everything's smooth, crisp, and we're not going right up to that 00 line because we want to be able to fade it out. Next thing we're going to do is open up our 0 guard all the way, making sure we're flicking out as much as we possibly can. We don't want to make this line too harsh at all because we want to be able to fade it out using our 1 guard. Now we've got our 1.5 guard, always keeping it open all the way, and then we're going to close it and make sure we're just keeping it real square, flicking everything out as much as we can. This fading technique I like to refer to as just process of elimination. We're going with our skin and then we're opening everything up and slowly buffering down that line until there's no more line at all. So now we've got our 1 guard all the way open, and once that line is fully done, we're going to close it all the way, and all we're going to have to do is go in with our 0.5 all the way open and then close that 0.5 all the way and just touch that bottom line with our 0. That's it. The fading process is done once this 0 is done, and then we're going to move on to lining up the haircut and doing the side taper. I am in the part of my career where fading haircuts are my absolute quickest, my bread and butter. I have been cutting close to 10 years, so if I do make everything look really easy, it is because I have been practicing what I preach for 10 years. Now that we've finished the back taper, we're just going to move straight onto the side taper. Side tapers are usually a lot less dense, so we want to make sure we're stretching out the fade just that little bit more and keeping the C-cup and behind the ear a little bit darker if we are going to line them up. So just making sure we're using that process of elimination fading technique. We're really just making sure everything's flicked out, and then we're going to move on straight onto our lining up. Now that most of the darkness has been removed, we're going to go in with our skin trimmers and we're going to line everything up. We're going to make sure we're not pushing our client back whatsoever, really just following his natural growth pattern and making sure everything is as crisp as possible. We're going to comb all the hair down that's overhanging and just line everything up as naturally as possible. Now that everything's been lined up, I'm just going to go in with my white pencil enhancements. This might make you stand out that much more from the last barber that your client went to, or it might make you stand out on social media. So please spend the extra 30 seconds, maybe invest your time into something like this. Now that's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. Absolute massive transformation. Only should take about 25 to 30 minutes in the shop. So please, if you guys want to see anything else, leave a comment section below, leave a like, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.